What's up everybody, and welcome back to Exploring the Outdoors, another one of my review videos. I had a light sent out to me, and it's actually a 20-inch light bar, and they wanted my honest opinions of it and everything. I'm not even going to try and pronounce the name because I just screwed up. So I'll show you all the name. I'll put everything in the descriptions of the video where you can get it. It's not that expensive for the budget build. It's going to be a great light, I'm sure. So let me get it over here on the counter. We'll open the box up. I cut the tape, but I haven't taken anything out of the box. So we'll open it up, pull everything out, look it over, then figure out where I'm going to put it at. Let's get over here on the counter. Alright, so here's the box. This is the brand right here. I'm not even, like I said, I'm not going to try and pronounce that. I would just screw it up. But it's an off-road little light. It's sent out to me. First thing you come to is the wiring harness, which I've already noticed that this switch right here is the exact same style switch that I got with my rough country lights. It's got the relay, plug-in, inline fuse. It's a decent harness. About average for what you get with lights. Alright, and then we take some mounting hardware. And what do we got here? Got some little information on the light itself. And this right here is the light itself. Nothing else in the box. Shit right there. Here is the light itself. So right off the bat, it's a 3-row LED. Looks like it's got a spotlight and floodlights on the sides. So it ought to be pretty bright. We'll have to try it out and see. Alright, so welcome back. We're going to go ahead and get the light bar that was sent out to me. We'll go ahead and get that installed right here on the front. These clamps are pretty solid, so with that little padding that you put inside the clamp in here, it's going to take a little effort to squeeze those and tighten them up, but we'll see if we can't get it. So, let's get it going. Alright, so on the Honda Pioneer 700, like this one, your battery is underneath your seat. And all you gotta do is just pop up on the seat, pull it forward a little bit, just lean it over in the floorboard. And the battery's right here, underneath this little rubber mat. So we just gotta pull this thing up out of the way. Hook up these little hooks. And the battery's right there. Here's the harness that they sent out with it. So we got the relay and everything else that goes along with it. So we'll go ahead and we'll route it before we actually connect it. We got to separate that, so we're going to have it laying up in here. And And this right here is the actual, this is the switch for it. Like I said, we're just going to have this switch temporary for now, just to test out the light. And then when I get the aux beam controller, the controller's going to be mounted up here, and all my lights will be hooked to that one controller. Because I plan on putting other lights off to the side and off to the back too, so that I can see completely around this thing when I'm out on the trail at night. Alright, so now we just got to run this thing. I think it'll work. I think it'll be long enough. See my lights, so I can see what I'm doing. Just gonna route it the same way I got my winch wires ran. And I can come back and zip tie it to those. Alright, time to go underneath. Alright, so that wire, oh, has some dirty up under here. I'm riding in mud. Should be right up in here somewhere. If I can find it. There it is. Right in the eyeballs. Right in the eyeballs with the dirt. And we'll go right through this little frame piece here. And we'll pull as much slack as we can. Alright. Now, the next process is to run this wire up this loom and up and under the hood and then over to the front of the light. So we gotta fish this wire up there and then pull it up. Alright, so I brought it up like I said a while ago. I brought it up right here next to the frame. You can see the shiny one. It comes up and I went up through here, back out over top of the frame right here, and then it comes down right here, and it comes up and goes right through back there, and it comes out right here by the light. So now all we gotta do is splice these two wires together and hook it to the battery, and we can turn it on. Let's turn it on and see what it looks like on the door. There you go. It's pretty bright.